Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So we did tag the top of that flag. Look at the weekly oscillators here crossing over, moving average crossing over. This is setting up for a move to the upside, and this is the only index that you can see this happening on the weekly. Now, if we drop down to the 8 hour, this is starting to look a little bit suspect. So high, higher high. Oscillators are creating a lower high. That is giving us a flag setup. So basically what it is saying is you should be looking for a move back down to this area here at 33,308. So that would be the most logical decision. We do have a range bar off the top, and we've got an engulfing bar there. So that it's not off structure. I don't think it is off structure. Okay, missed that one. So there is our tail to the inside. Look left, you'll see a lot happening there. So we did tag it and we did reject it. So if we start dropping down through the time frames, 3 hour pin bar, but then we had an engulfing bar. So that cancels that structure out. And now we're on support. Look at the oscillators here. Now we've got diversions in the opposite direction. Trend is really strong to the upside. So as confused as what the chart is. So the higher time frames looking a little bit tired, and then as soon as we start getting down to the 3 hour, probably the 4 hour as well. Now 4 hours not quite there yet, but 3 hours definitely fairly close. And if I get to the 1 hour, you're going to see we are bang on. Now this is a level, we're in an uptrend. This is what I should be looking for opportunities to buy. What I don't like though is these big moves down. So I'm a little bit skeptical of what we're seeing, and the 15-minute does have a crossover, so this is leaning towards a move to the downside. So I would, that has been tested. Let's put the next level in. That. So I would expect a rejection of 33,695. 33,731, but I think you're probably going to be held up by 33,628 and 33,563. So earnings season does kick off today. We've got the bank starting tomorrow and then next week. So that is probably what we're waiting for. Normally the first week is what impacts the Dow Jones of earnings season. So that's probably what we're waiting for at the moment. And you're going to have to watch the retail stocks as well, just to see whether we are heading for a recession or not. So at the moment, it is a big up, big down, big confusion. I'd be very careful about jumping in anywhere. Don't really want to be long in this area at the moment. I also don't want to be short. So there's no confirmation of shorts for me at the moment. It could happen today, just based on what we're seeing here on the 15-minute. So if we're going to stay below the moving averages on the 15-minute here, and we're going to reject and start moving down, definitely be looking to take a short here. It's going to be a 100-point stop loss, and you're going to be looking for just moves down to the next level. I wouldn't push it beyond that until we start getting the hour agreeing with what we are. And the hour is in a strong uptrend at the moment still. Just been ranging up, range up, range up. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Be careful. Be very careful. There are setups to the short side. There are setups to the long side as well. And each time frame is different. Whenever that happens, it's just basically an indication of confusion in the market. So don't try and read into something that's not there. It's confused, then you are confused. So, and right now I'm confused. So I will be very cautious about what we're doing. Probably just stick to a 50-minute time frame and see if I get rejections, and then take the short on that, but only to the next level. Jump out of it and then sit back and wait for the next one. Anyway, that's kind of my view for today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.